Hey everyone, hash your farm hashtag. Xiaomi is set to launch an all-new flagship Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro in mid-February. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 865 is the main reason that pushed the Xiaomi Mi 10 launch to mid-February. Interestingly, Samsung is going to launch Galaxy S20 series with the Snapdragon 865 on February 12th. We all know Mi Note 10 has a massive 108 MP sensor by Samsung and it became one of the best camera smartphone now. So the same sensor may include in the new Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. The smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a dual punch hole camera sitting at the top right side, much like the Redmi K30 smartphone that launched in December 2019. Unlike the Redmi K30, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro is set to feature a under-display fingerprint scanner, but it comes with an optical sensor and also include a 120Hz display. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which will be paired with the Adreno 650 GPU. A 4500 mAh battery was also included with a support up to 66-watt fast charging technology. For optics, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro will be feature a quad-rear camera setup with the main sensor 108 MP primary. Further, there will be a dual selfie snapper. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi device, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Namaskar from hashtag.